I'm reviewing capital.com as well as currency.com web platforms. So these are great platforms, but they have also their own advantages and disadvantages. So let's talk about the first thing. So this is trading.view and so and according to this, I'm using actually some of the scripts. So here are the main ones. And now I've entered this SM Ultimate MA MTF V2. So guys, so these are my trades, and recently I have made some money, and it's quite okay. It's working quite okay. I didn't have any problems recently. And okay, so let's see about the activity, and let's see how we earned. So these were some very interesting transactions. I made the most money from AMC and GME, and this is my currency.com web platform, but it's still under review because I uploaded some photos. So as you can see, the difference here is that the amount, the difference is quite low compared with the capital.com. Actually, you can choose the leverage. Okay, you must use a guaranteed stop loss to isolate your risk on high leverage trade. So this is very interesting thing, and so this is 100x leverage. So that's very risky, and you always have to use guaranteed stop. So that's a great feature, and you have to use that for sure, because otherwise if you don't use it, you will be in big trouble. So here is just a like stop loss and just simple. But when you choose higher leverage, so it's just immediately guaranteed stop loss, and it will enter immediately. So that's a great feature, and I guys, I think you should use that. This is very good thing, and so stay away from just you always have to use stop loss because it's very risky, and you have to be prepared for any loss. And I'm not a professional advisor, so don't take all my words very just be cautious with everything what I say, because it just the information is just as this, you cannot change. But look how different wallets here are. For example, you can use other just normal wallets as well as bitcoins, and when you deposit, so you use the code. And also, as you can see, you can also withdraw back to those BTC wallet and other wallets, and so that's a great feature of currency.com. And I'm not sure about that, because I'm not sure if currency.com is better. As you can see, it has less stars, so I don't know why, but let's see. Maybe there is some reason, and maybe maybe because it's newer. I don't know exactly, but that's interesting thing. So now I have invested, and these are trades for the weekend. So as you can see, they're going up, so they should be going up. And so this is S&P 500. So these are the most most trades recently traded. So these are trades I especially like to trade in the gold, because I earned quite a lot of money. It's just really doing very well. It's bearish. It shows good signs, and so that's very fine. And okay, about SP, and so about then talk about AMC. So that's very risky. This is extremely risky, but you can always, You can always earn money, you can always lose money. So take profits and take even very small profits, but always take better that take a risk and lose and just close your account with a with a big loss. So be aware of that. So these are the insights, and they are very interesting thing. And like, let's go to analyst view. And actually, I've noticed that recently, and I'm about to use that. So these are like forex indices and commodities, and you can also use what kind of trend you're willing to see. So let's see the bullish. Um, so the spread. So I'm about to use gold because gold is for me the best. So yesterday it shows what their prediction was on March 19th, 1755, and let's take a look of the gold. So as you can see, they were quite right. I mean, it was bullish, but it didn't get there. So let me check again. So commodities, right? And let's write just gold. Okay, so this is also time frame, intraday, daily, weekly. So this was on March. This was okay. It was later, so it was before 1755, and okay, so 623. So okay, and the date was, let me check. So they posted that in the evening, again, yeah, AM, PM. So it was going up. So if I understand correctly, it will go up during the weekend because they posted quite lately. But of course, they are not taking responsibility of this analyst view. You take that also, you take everything by your own responsibility. So this is the losses information, and just be careful about that. But as I told you recently, I'm going to try this currency.com. It's very interesting, and I'm trying this trend line so I can see this is the signs. So when I had to buy, okay, every second, even it shows every second when to buy, when to close. So this signals, these indicators are quite useful, and you can see when, for example, I bought here, I sell here, I bought. So yeah, it's just of course I have other indicators, but I'm not using them quite a lot. So yeah, you have to change like this. So okay guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you stay tuned and see you for more videos. So peace out.